Boliche, the Garces way. As a chef, the holidays are really important, and it's really my favorite time to cook meals for friends and family. And one dish that's become a family favorite is boliche, a Cuban slow roast. High quality, all natural Smithfield Prime fresh pork really makes this a memorable dish. I'm gonna start with a simple salt water and sugar brine. The loin sits in it about 24 hours. So I'll take it out and pat it dry. I'm gonna hollow out the center of the loin and place the chorizo inside. I've made a marinade of nora, ancho chilies, honey, garlic, olive oil, thyme, rosemary, and pepper. I'm gonna spread the marinade all over the loin and let it rest for 2 hours. So I'll sear the roast, add some potatoes. I'll put it in the oven and let it roast for about 45 minutes or until it reaches an internal temperature of 140 degrees. I'll take it out of the oven, I'll add our butter marinade, let it rest for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then I'll slice it. I'm gonna serve it with arugula leaves, toasted pine nuts, and chimichurri. Boliche, perfect for the holidays. Buen provecho. For more holiday recipe inspiration, check out smithfield.com.